30% battery charged in just 30 minutes? 1 day's power in just 10 minutes of charging. Well guys, you must have heard of these claims by smartphone manufacturers because, well, fast charging, bigger battery is what's now game changing for smartphones, is the marketing tactic. So optics तो सब ठीक है, headline grabbing है, influencers भी आएंगे making a beeline and will go gaga over these claims. But guys, what's the big deal about fast charging, and does fast charging actually ruin your phone's battery? I'm Sumita Kareer and here's what I have found out. 150 watt of SuperVooc charging that can give 30 minutes of battery in just 3 minutes. Well, Oppo ने ये claim किया था recently at MWC Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. So not just Oppo, there's RealMe, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Samsung and every possible brand dabbling in this fast charging fest. Everybody has some sort of warp charging, SuperVooc charging, dart charging, turbo charging and charging bricks. So here's the deal. Fast charging is not equal to a ruined battery. Fast charging will not ruin your phone's battery. To know why, let's understand the basics first. Let's understand the basics about how batteries function. So आपको ये तो पता ही होगा कि आजकल smartphones use lithium-ion batteries which actually charge in a three-phased manner. एक slow trickle charge, एक constant charge और end में final constant voltage आता है. Now आजकल की phones की battery काम करती है like a sponge. They absorb the most energy when they have the least in them. तो खाली phone की battery में एक blast होगा voltage का और बहुत जल्दी सब कुछ charge होगा, तो काफी फटाफट charge होगा without any major negative effects on its long-term health. That's why आपने देखा होगा कि brands claim करते हैं कि 0 to 60% of battery आपको मिल जाएगी less than 30 minutes में, 40% of battery आपको मिल जाएगी 15 minutes में, because वो initial charging speed जो होता है in lithium-ion batteries में वो एक बहुत speed charging के साथ आता है, voltage speed के साथ आता है. And as you keep moving towards filling up the last 20 or 30%, जैसा कि गीले sponge में होता है because it cannot absorb any more water or absorb any more liquid, तो आपकी बैटरी भी धीरे एक्सेप्ट करती है, इट वोंट चार्ज फास्टर. नाउ फास्ट चार्जिंग आपके फोन की हेल्थ को तो बैटरी को तो इंपैक्ट नहीं करेगी, बट आपको ये नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर लेना चाहिए कि जस्ट बिकॉज योर फोन हैज अ फास्ट चार्जिंग ब्रिक अवेलेबल तो आपका फोन का बैटरी लंबा चलेगा दैन यूजुअल. नाउ बैटरीज बेसिकली डिग्रेड ओवर phones are made to last only for 2-3 years max. And so now it's important to understand कि आपकी बैटरी को destroy क्या करता है. Well, the number one factor that really destroys a battery's health is overheating. Keeping your phone in direct sunlight, या अपने कार की डैशबोर्ड पे रख के भूल गए, या फिर चार्ज करते रहे, और even an overworked processor can also manifest into heat. इसका मतलब ये है कि fast charging does overheat a phone's battery because उसमें voltage तो पंप हो ही रहा है एक certain speed से. Now that will produce extra heat. तो इसीलिए इसको बीट करने के लिए some smartphone manufacturers have split voltage into two batteries. मतलब एक में 50% होगा, दूसरे में 50% होगा और जो हीट है वो डिवाइड हो जाएगी. सेकेंडली, बिकॉज फास्ट चार्जिंग से भी फोन्स हीट अप हो सकते हैं, इसीलिए हर एक मोबाइल फोन मैन्युफैक्चरर, हर एक मोबाइल फोन ब्रांड ने कुछ तरीके का कूलिंग हार्डवेयर और दे हैव फैंस और दे हैव कूलिंग शील्ड्स इंट्रोड्यूस किए टू कीप टेम्परेचर ऑप्टिमम. So fast charging guys is getting even better. अभी तक तो आपका Oppo का massive 150 watt और 250 watt mark है, and you know that in the coming few years that mark will also be crossed. But you know that fast chargers are not harmful for your phone's life, but make sure that you take good care of your phone's battery. Number one, आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Never put it under direct sunlight. Avoid overheating at all costs. Never drain your battery to 0%. आपकी बैटरी को healthy रखने के लिए put the phone to charge when it's at 30%. तो guys, आपको कैसा लगा ये वीडियो मुझे बताइए comment section में, and if you know anything else on this subject, I would love to hear from you. Please type in your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon.